Hey, good morning. It's Scott McFarland, and it's finally Friday. It's Friday, and I'm going to throw you a little bit of a curveball. I'm going to shift attention from Washington today, 2 time zones to the west. Of all places, I'm keeping a close eye on the local courthouse in Salt Lake City, Utah. Later this morning, it's a court appearance for John Banuelos. Who is John Banuelos? Here's a reminder. Last time I saw John Banuelos in court, it was 2024, and he was here in Washington, D.C. in his January 6th case. He was accused of not only being part of the riot, he was accused of pulling a gun out while amid the mob and opening fire in the air while amid the mob. In his case, he was put in pretrial detention, and I recall the day, and my notes bear this out. In 2024, I was in the front row of the courthouse when John Banuelos appeared virtually and was just spouting off at the judge about his case. And Judge Tanya Chutkin warned him pretty declaratively, careful what you say so you don't enhance your legal risk or get into any more legal jeopardy. To which Banuelos responded, I'm going to be just fine. He then told the judge, correctly, that he thinks Trump's going to win the election and Trump's going to take care of the January 6 defendants. He was right. On January 20, 2025, when Trump issued his mass clemency for all the January 6 defendants, his case was dismissed and he was freed. Then in August, according to local police and a police report obtained by CBS News, when they were conducting a DNA test for an old crime, Banuelos popped in the DNA test. They linked it to him, a 2018 aggravated sex assault and aggravated kidnapping in Utah. According to the police report, the victim alleges Banuelos was aggressively kissing her, punched her in the head. When she tried to strike back, she alleges he got really angry, grabbed her shorts, pulled them off, threw her, and causing her whole body to fly in the air. He will answer to these charges. We haven't been able to reach him for comment, nor his defense attorney. The defense attorney has not responded to our inquiries. We want to hear if he says in court today any denials of these charges or any more about what's been happening to him since his January 6th case evaporated. But it's also worth noting, in courts big and small, he's just the latest January 6th defendant to get clemency and then get in trouble again.